Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we got something in from Jackspania. Well, it's not from them. I bought this shit. It is an oil catch can system for the coupe. We need to help the motor breathe a little bit. So we got the breather hose, we got the fittings, we got the oil cap vent, and then we got the catch can. First thing that we're going to be doing is figure out where we're going to mount this catch can in the car. I already removed the intercooler piping just to give me some room. I'm gonna go ahead and mount it right here where that ground is. Well, we're going to still ground it to that. I have to make another hole. I don't think I'm going to do it right now, just for the test fit of everything. All right, we got that O-ring put on the bottom. And this is what screws inside, tightens it. It is a 34mm socket. I'm just gonna snug it for now. So I think I'm gonna run the two straights going underneath that mount. And to make these lines, I've shown it before, but you're gonna take the collar and try not to get it all flared out. Just like that. And then you just do this, just like that. Now we got one side done. You can pull on it, make sure it's all good. We got it done. All right, there you guys have it. We have the hose made, they're routed, they're connecting to the catch can, to the vent. Looks good. Not bad, not bad. I really wish they did both kind of shoot down, but can't really do that with that. But I'm glad I was able to give it some room. I did end up just bending that piece. Oh my gosh, that looks horrible. See, goes in, goes out. Not bad, not bad. I'm gonna go ahead and start tightening everything up. Here she is, all put together. Can't even tell if there's a catch can on here besides the line showing right there. Alright, now that she's all finished up, all put back together, She looks good. Let me know what you guys think. She's nice and tucked away. There it is. It's not bad, guys. I like the way it came out. Looks good. This is definitely a more easier option if you don't have the material, or if you don't want to drill into your valve cover. You do kind of have to modify it a little bit, as you can see, but it's really not much. If you guys haven't checked out the shifter install on the Turbo Civic, make sure you guys go check that out. Go show that video some love. We are almost hitting 300 subscribers, guys. That is crazy. We are at 290. So if you guys can, go down below and hit that subscribe button. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's install on the catch can and the vent. Oil cap vent did come out on how I wanted it to come out. It's nice and tucked away. It's not that noticeable, so that's all I wanted, was it not to be that noticeable. And as you guys saw, you guys could barely see the catch can. But yeah, guys, if you guys enjoyed today's video, go down below and hit that like and that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.